but want to focus on numbers. So PTC India came out with numbers just a while back. I believe Godrej Industries presser is on as well. Let's cut across it.
All our business components and companies which are consolidated with Godrej Industries had a very good quarter. Our profit growth was low, mainly because we had to take a write-off for the loss on the sale of Godrej Industries shares in Godrej Hershey to the Hershey company. We have exited this joint venture and we had to take a loss on the sale of the shares. However, this will help us in the long run because every quarter we had to consolidate the losses of Godrej Hershey, which henceforth from this current quarter onwards will not have to be done. All our businesses are performing well. We continue to grow well both in India and outside India, and there was a particularly good performance by two of the components of our business. Godrej Properties had a very good quarter and Godrej Agrovet also had a very good quarter.
Okay, so you spoke about losses from accruing out of writing off of the sale of shares in Godrej Hershey's, and that was primarily the reason why you're seeing a net loss, and that will not account for, will not be a part of your results, hence...
No, there was not a loss. The consolidated account showed a considerable profit, a profit of about 70 crore.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So you've spoken about two segments showing exceptional growth. Tell us a little bit about Godrej Consumer. Do you foresee, we've seen good rates, we've seen a 35% growth rate there as well. So tell us about how much do you see that growth increase by as you go ahead? Because you do mention about economic challenges continuing in the future as well.
I would not like to provide any guidance for the future, but Godrej Consumer continues to grow very well. We grew 35% in the quarter ended September 30th, and in the subsequent quarters we expect as good or better growth. Growth is going very well both in India and outside.
Do we see any further consolidation?
All right, that's Mr. Adi Godrej there on the numbers of Godrej Industries, saying that they've exited the joint venture with Hershey's and they're quite optimistic about the performance. Consolidated basis 70 crores in terms of the bottom line is what they've clocked in. Dipesh Mehta is here with us with his call on the index.